freaking out for? What are you freaking out? I'm professional. I've been doing this for a while now.
Driving and doing other things.
Right,
We're doing other things than driving.
Hey, I'm good at driving and doing other things. How do you think we ended up with 2 kids? What you need to know is why we're driving this Jeep and we're not driving the Mustang.
I would drive the Cobra without AC, but I would have
No.
kids in there without AC.
Right.
I don't think the AC is working.
It should be. No, it's not working. Be all right.
I will be all right, but they won't.
Yeah, we got to get that fixed. All right, babe, I'll get it fixed. Well,
You will. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna drive something else.
Right. So, I did get that fixed.
Thanks, man.
Up then, no AC. It's unbearable, so we gotta ride with the windows down. No, it's really hot. So we're over here at the shop. You guys probably don't remember this guy, but this is John.
What's up, guys?
He was the guy that detailed the GT500 back when it was black, way back in the day. Only the OGs is gonna remember that. So what we're gonna do here, we're actually charging the AC because Laura would not drive the Cobra because it's too hot. Not because she's high maintenance, well, yeah, she's that, but mainly because of the kids. It's brutal. What are you looking for, man?
The other valve.
You're gonna hate me when I tell you where it's at. It's underneath this tank. Told you you were gonna hate me when I... So I don't know much about AC systems, so what is like one a supply and return?
Yeah, well,
essentially.
one's a liquid line and one's a vapor line.
So what are we doing now?
We're gonna suck it down, see if there's any Freon in it. Then we're gonna pull a vacuum and know in 5 minutes how much was in there. Looks like nothing.
Looks like nothing?
Yeah.
I'm just hoping we don't have a leak. Josh is walking me back here and showing me one of the projects that I don't even know I've never seen one of these.
Yeah,
This is crazy. Some of you guys will appreciate it. Some of you guys may not and have a few comments to say in the comment section, but so far it looks bad. Tell them what this thing is.
So this here is my boss, Brian Wiles, for Wiles Diesel Performance. Custom truck he just finished, a 3-year masterpiece. It's a 72 Suburban that he converted to a pickup truck. It's got a fully built Duramax motor, fully built Allison trans. We're believing it's never been on a dyno. Compound turbo, 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels.
Wow.
It's a one-off truck. It's custom paint. It's a 3-door. And as far as we know, there's not another one on the East Coast like this.
Hold up, that's not a door.
No.
I thought this was a 4-door.
True 3-door pickup truck.
Whoa, dude, this is crazy.
It was a Suburban, and they cut the back of this off the Suburban and put it on there and make it a pickup truck. And
This thing is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. The name of this shop is Wiles Diesel Performance, and I'll put all the link to everything in the description below in case anybody wants to check it out or hit him up and try to buy this truck off him, but I don't think he's going to sell it to anybody. Holy crap, they did the wood in the bed.
yeah, it's a walnut tree out of his front yard. He did all the bed work. All the work was done in-house.
Yeah, and he's still got a couple of the pieces yet to put in the bed.
And it's
Yeah, this thing is awesome.
It's got a gooseneck hitch in it that we got to finish installing, or they got to finish installing.
Who's he going to tow a camper?
He tows he towed the gooseneck with it, but we just sold the gooseneck because we don't use the full truck anymore.
Yeah, we definitely got to get an inside shot of this thing. Oh, he even swapped the whole dash.
Yeah, it's out of 03, I believe.
Okay, and he kind of left the door.
Yeah, it's still not finished yet. It's still a work in progress. It's 95% complete.
Dude, this is sick. See this room, this is actually the paint booth. It's like really tight in here, so I can't really get back far enough to kind of get a really good shot of this thing. And that's the 4th door right there. Wow. This thing is sweet, man, let me tell you. I dig it, man. This is awesome. It's got a little cowl too. Now that thing was badass. It's not fully finished quite yet, but once it gets done, maybe we'll talk to your boss and see about throwing a video on that thing. That thing is nasty. I don't know, I guess we'll call that, what do you call it, Frankenstein truck?
Yeah.
Essentially 3 different trucks put together, but we're gonna see how much AC we had. So she had a ½ a pound in her. So he's putting a little bit of dye in there just in case. If we do have a leak, we'll see where it is. And then, you said it was 2 pounds?
2 pounds, 2.15 pounds.
That's what we're putting in, 2.15. You know it's not fun until you're over 20 pounds, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. She's blowing cold now. Oh yeah, we got AC and Starbucks. The day keeps getting better and better. Why are we in the Jeep and not the Mustangs?
Because the Cobra doesn't have AC. Didn't have AC.
Didn't have AC.
But today we're not driving it because we were yard crawling.
Yeah. Yeah. We were out at the yard crawl with Alex and Bex buying junk. Right? Junk? Junk?
One man's junk.
I don't know.
Another man's treasure.
We're heading to one of our most favorite places. We're gonna go grab some Los Portellos, or did I say it right?
Probably not.
I probably never say
It's
it right.
probably Los Potrilla.
Potrilla.
I think the
Potrilla.
R is silent.
Yeah. I don't know. That's where we're heading now. We're gonna go get some food. It's been a while since we've been there. Laura modeling with the Cobra. That's what we could do. What?
Look at that cool station
And I did
wagon.
not even realize that there was a car show going on. What the heck? So in the next week or two, we're gonna be dropping shirts right before Mustang Week. So we're gonna have new shirts, and I will have them with me at Mustang Week. So you guys find me, you can come pick up a new shirt. When should I reveal the design to them?
I don't know.
I don't know. But I'm gonna give my buddy Mike a little bit of a shout out here. You guys go give him a follow on Instagram. He's been working on his photography skills, but he is actually a graphic designer. He's the guy that came up with our new design that's going to be on these new shirts. If you guys want to check out his Instagram. All right, we're going to try to find Alex. I know he didn't, you guys haven't seen his truck yet. He's got a truck. It's lowered, and he's talking about putting a turbo, twin turbos, and all kinds of other weird stuff. They do a car show over here like once a month. And every time they have it, I never know when it is. The car show that you guys saw from the last video, that was actually Tom's car show over at the gazebo, and Tom does that once a month as well. And what I'm gonna start doing is letting people know whenever he does do that. So if anybody wants to participate in that. Would you drop your car? That's a car you got at the yard sale. Let me show you guys what I picked up at the yard crawl. I got this big old fancy coffee maker, commercial grade right there. It was actually a coffee pot or coffee machine that was in a 7-Eleven. So we found that, didn't we, bud, at the yard sale? Got a super good deal on it. And we picked up some antique tags for Tom. He collects them, but he always wants them as a pair. I don't know what he's trying to do with it. Only you.
Premium.
One of a kind.
So we're gonna go check out the car show.
Yeah.
All right, let's go do this. Bex is on mama duty. I didn't know she spoke baby. She speaks baby.
Hey, I just got a ring.
Are you gonna keep an eye on him?
Yeah.
All right. Hey. Okay, you got this. She's got him. She done left you now.
I know, man.
Roy Rogers Milk Squad.
Oh my God, ew.
Ew.
Bring that Mustang today.
Why is that?
I got 3 kits on this thing now.
Look at this. Hey, when is he gonna let us drive this? You should let Alex and I just take this thing out for a quick little cruise.
We're supposed to run them.
We need a deposit. If you want me.
Deposit. Dylan, when, are you gonna get a new shirt one day?
No.
Like
I'm
he
wearing
wears the
one
same.
For like the first 3 years, I'm gonna wear this.
Dude,
I'm
you've
gonna
been
turn
wearing
it
that thing for
inside
like
out.
3 years, man.
Then I'm gonna turn it inside
See,
out.
everybody's like he's giving them shit, and I like wear the same type of shirts, but I
Yeah.
got like multiple. But see, he's only got one of those.
Yeah. Hey, it's $75. I'm not gonna buy it.
Dang, they saw you coming.
Liam.
See if he can do it again.
What?
Oh yeah.
Donut.
Tell him what you did, bud.
I'm doing donuts and my car flipped over.
Yep. His car flipped over, literally. I was working on Laura's Jeep, changing the brakes. He was just doing donuts in his little car, and it flipped over, and he hit his head. You want to give these to Tom?
$20?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to give you a check, buddy.
Don't take check, especially from a Chevy guy. Licking them lips.
He wouldn't buy
Oh, now you're showing your teeth. You tired of walking, hun?
I've been carrying kids all day.
Really? All right, Logan, you got it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. He is trying.
Yeah, to the yard crawl.
Whoa.
There you go, bud.
Mama, that's the one.
aiming to get at cars.
No.
Mom wants to get out.
He wants his life insurance.
This is how the trade-off is. The trade-off is real. Oh Lord. Oh man.
We just ate.
You really gotta be
The trade-off is real.
Alright, where are we going, bud?
To the fair to see monster trucks.
Change of plans, huh? See, you guys never know where these vlogs are gonna end up, and what do we got going on over here?
I got us a cordless telephone.
It's
Don't mind the cord, but it's cordless. And I can mute you, I can redial you, and I can send a call to yourself.
yeah, and turn the ringer off.
Where did you guys find these?
I got it at the cordless telephone store down the street before I ran to the lumber store.
Before you ran to the lumber
I'm
store.
building a wooden shed for my gator.
Yeah, it's gator.
Oh my gosh. Let's go to the fair.
Go to the fair!
See, we're gonna go to the fair and we're gonna show them Warren County's finest. Oh man, he's like trying to get it. That thing's gonna be on the ground next.